Hey y'all. So I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I have been going through the motions of COVID-19, parenthood, all of that stuff. My emotional support cat got sick, and I've not had a chance to actually finish decorating my kitchen, but I do have that green kitchen witch tour set up for you guys after this video. I decided to do this. In the meantime, I did do a small mini haul like several months ago, and I left everything in my trunk, and now I grabbed everything and brought it in the house. Wood Dweller also got some mail, which was unexpected. I wasn't expecting this at all. It wasn't like a contest entry or anything like that, not a giveaway. I just had some friends contact me on Instagram saying that they knew someone who I guess made jewelry and wanted to send me something, so I'm gonna have that for you guys at the end of this video, and then I'm gonna insert the Instagram of the person that brought me or sent me the jewelry, which was really nice. Over this period I've been getting, well, Wood Dweller has been getting mail, so that's been really nice. I just want to go ahead and thank everybody who's sent me stuff and who's been having my back. You guys know who you are. I'm gonna try to name you at the end. My memory is kind of shot, but anyways, let's get into this mini haul. I kind of forgot what I bought, but we finna see what's up. Yo, oh my god. Okay, it's been a minute. I'm actually in my kitchen right now filming. This is like my kitchen altar over here, and I kind of set her up. This like little stand, I guess you could call it like a shelving unit or whatever, was actually given to me by my mom. This one as well as another one. I have another one, which is really cool. But I have not set that one up yet. But yeah, so I thought this was really cool. Before it was just like one thing and this and a few other things as my kitchen Mother Nature like altar, but I'm really happy to say that this was one of the things that I received. It was just given to me, so that was really nice of my mom. But yeah, let's get into it, y'all. Yes. Okay, I totally forgot about these. This is a mug. Let's see what planet is. Okay, I do understand why people find it hard to understand me sometimes, because like when I talk, I know for a fact that some of my words are like together. I was trying to I was trying to say let's see what plant it is, but I said let's see what planet is. Like, okay. I don't know what plant this is. If anybody knows what plant this is, please let me know. It just says from China. Oh, fine China, designed in Great Britain. That's pretty cool. That's a place that I would never ever go, but that's really cool that I found that here, and that was 60 cents. I forgot where I was shopping at, y'all. I think Goodwill. This I wanted to get for what I have to pour in my K-cup maker, the water. I need something with this kind of like little, I don't know, mouth on it so that I'm able to like not spill the water. But this was $1.82. I forgot about this, y'all. I think this was $2.12. Like, I'm just gonna put a picture in this one. It's a 5x7. I have tons of 5x7 pictures. I might put some Wood Dweller-esque photos from Renfest from like 2 years ago. Also, Carolina Renaissance Festival, I'm really sad that I don't think I'm gonna go. I've been trying to quarantine and wear masks out while grocery shopping, and I'm even homeschooling currently, which I actually really enjoy that, and I think my kids do too. It's just kind of sad that the world is in the state that it's in right now. And I would feel really bad to go out and do like some, I don't know, Renfest stuff when I know at the end of the day, you know, it's like this. I don't know. It's really sad, but okay. So I did get some DVDs. I have Lord of the Rings, the Fellowship of the Ring, which I don't think I have that in my collection currently, but I'm gonna have to check in my living room. Obviously Twilight is something in here. Oh, it is. Okay. I can't help it. I'm a hopeless romantic. Like, I always wanted, whoa, that looks really good. I always wanted to like be monogamous and married and like just with that one guy. That's always been my dream since I was like a teenager. I don't know, romance movies just are amazing, and Twilight, I would say, is one of my favorites just because of the way the movie makes me feel, how long it's been out, how much, I would say how long I've been such a fan of it. I don't know, it's just, at the end of the day, I kind of wish that that was something that I was able to find, just a vampire guy ready to like profess his love to me. So I do have, oh, wow, I'm such an idiot. But then again, so this is Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers, but then again, wow. I didn't even notice that. Well, this one's full screen, this one's widescreen, this one has, let's see, what's the difference? Oh, it's not even open. Wow, I guess I could sell it or nah. I like to keep stuff for collection purposes. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep them both, but that's what I got. They don't really have a price. I think the DVDs and books have specific prices at Goodwill, like at the store, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to check later. By the way, this is the book I've been reading, Moonspells. So far so good. I am currently taking notes, and it's gonna be a while, I would say, before I'm done with the book, but I just want to say that this will be a book that I'm definitely going to be doing a review, like a book review on this channel, because it's really cool. I like it. So yeah. Holy crap. Okay, I totally forgot that I got this. Can y'all like see that action right now? This is so cool. It's like made out of, I don't know. It says it's from Marshall's, and originally it was like $4.99, but I paid $3.99 for it. It's something that's probably gonna go up in this kitchen, but it's really cool. I'm in love with it. I'm gonna hang it up before I do the kitchen tour video. So yeah, I did purchase 2 chapter books for my kids. They have the complete, not complete, but they have the collection of these Rainbow Magic chapter books. And then of course they're huge fans of My Little Pony. I have another bag. Oh cool. This I think I paid 60 cents for. Can you see this mug? I paid 60 cents for this. It's so cute. It just looks so homey. Like, they have cats, they have dogs, a house, trees. It just, I don't know, it just kind of makes me feel good. So yeah, that's why I got it. It's really cute, and it says, "Welcome to my home." There we go. This is super cute. I don't know if this is like a part of some sort of like teacup or something collection. This was $182. $141. Really pretty. I'm gonna read this later on when I'm like washing it out. I was gonna like plant stuff in this, although I can see myself eating out of this, but yeah, 9 times out of 10 I was just gonna plant something in this bowl. This 60 cents. Are you kidding me? 60 cents for something like this? Come on now, look at that. It has the Carolina the red cardinal. And that's my state's bird. Let's just forget that I got that wrong. But also I thought this one was cute too. But it's like a feel-good piece to me. It just, I don't know, like it's something about autumn and then winter, but mostly autumn. Autumn has my heart. Those seasons just make me feel so cozy and celebrated. I don't know how to explain it, but this picture just makes me feel good. It's like a granny nostalgia, I guess you could say. Here is the shirt. I'm gonna wash it and then try it on later, but I thought it was cute. I love this forest green. Something about forest green just makes me feel like a true woodland dweller, man. Regular Starbucks cup for $1.21. I mean, I couldn't really pass that up. Next, this is somewhat of a candle holder. I liked this because you could do kind of like I think these are tea light candles there, and then chime candles, but obviously a little bit bigger. But you could change it to either one, and I think this is authentic marble. This stuff like this reminds me of my grandma. She has like a bunch of marble stuff. I like it. I thought it was beautiful, so yeah, that's why I got it. And I don't know the price because it wiped off. This was 80 cents. It is an ivy looking candle holder. Again, I'm gonna show you the usage for it. I need to get bigger candles. I actually want to make candles. That's my next project, so I'm definitely gonna do that. But I thought it was obviously me. What the heck is this? Oh, totally forgot about this. $1.99. Look at this, guys. I got this for $1.99. See? Holy crap, she's gorgeous. Whoa. Totally forgot about that. I kind of want to gift this to one of my favorite people. But I don't know how it would, like, I don't want it to break while in transit. This is my last piece. A Dragonfly one of that same one, which is so cool. I'm just gonna hang that up in here somewhere. I have to get a ladder because obviously I'm too short, but this is the Dragonfly and it was $3.99 as well. So cool. I love dragonflies. They're, I don't know, just very majestic. Last but not least, here is the package that I received from Jules Gems. So like I said, I didn't order anything. This was not a competition, or like a, not a competition, but a contest is what you call it. But yeah, I'm just gonna be opening. Yes, so it was wrapped in another thing of bubble wrap, which I'm gonna keep. I'm literally always doing that. Here's the baggie, which I'm also gonna keep the bag because that's how I am. Yeah, I like I said, I didn't know the shop owner at all, but she knows someone that, you know, I'm friends with, so that was really cool. Thanks so much for sending this over. Okay, so here's the first thing. I'm trying to open it on camera too. Okay, there we go. Hopefully nothing falls. Here's the first one. Can you see that? Whoa, it's like super shining. Do you see it? That's the first one. I'm still so bad with this whole zoom thing. And then here is the second piece of jewelry. I think it's cool. here they are together. That was really nice. I'm gonna tag her. Some reason my arm is like feeling weak. But anyways, I'm gonna tag her shop below. I really appreciate everybody for watching. Thank you so much for sending out these 2 pieces. It was honestly, I didn't expect it, so I really appreciate that. I'm gonna tag her shop below. Also, thanks for, I'm so awkward. I'm sorry, y'all. Thanks for following my freaking channel, y'all. It's a lot been going on. I hope everyone's like staying safe for their families, for themselves. Honestly, just watching the world crumble like this is kind of too much, but I'm just hoping that everyone out there is safe. I think that's a #1 priority. Just taking mental health seriously, as well as your personal health and things like that. So, but anyways, I'm sending nothing but love and positivity to everybody, and thanks so much for watching again. I know I said that anyways. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. I really appreciate all the support, all the love, and I'll be talking to you guys soon.